move is called rain. Rain is like the rain of heaven flowing down to water the earth. All you need to do is to bring your hand across your body towards your left and then bring it down like a fan. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So once you get up there, you flip your hand around like a fan, how you would fan yourself. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 3 fans down. 3, 4. So your flag will wave above you like this. Not the other way around, not like this coming down, but around you like this. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
You reign over the mountains and plains, over the heartache and pain. Your love is love.